up, Colby Sharp? Welcome to my channel. We're trying to help kids fall in love with reading. Today we're going to be opening up some kid lit book mail. See if we can't find the next great book to share with the readers we serve. Hopefully you'll find something awesome here to add to your to-read list. Let's see what the first few books we have are. Okay, kicking things off, novel in verse. It's called Shook. The stunning, hopeful novel in verse for fans of Kwame Alexander and Jason Reynolds follows a 12-year-old boy whose dreams of making the varsity basketball team is in peril when he gets injured. And he struggles to make his way back onto the court and back to feeling like himself. Basketball, novel in verse, let's go. Off to a good start. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it says Little Women, but then the women is crossed off and says Little Monsters. Is this like a monster version of Little Women? The March sisters have a secret. Dun, dun, dun. And spells to mend broken hearts. Alex is pretty sure the universe is conspiring against her. Drama. The drama. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, let's go to this one. Some books from the folks at Candlewick. Backpack Boy Berlin, based on a true story of World War II espionage. Ooh, novel in verse, very exciting. Sounds intriguing, love a good novel in verse. The Danger Files, true survival stories, what would you do? Okay, it's illustrated as well. Hurricane Katrina story. Fun, that sounds very interesting. What would you do? Award-winning journalist Anna Crowley Redding brings readers into the action with 5 epic tales of survival and tragedy. It's kind of fun, you know, broken into 5 shorter stories. Bad things happened here. Oh no, I can't see anything. Maybe I need bifocals. When lonely 12-year-old Sam meets his mom's ghost, frozen in time as a kid his own age, he'll have to untangle the unsolved mystery keeping her trapped. Sounds intense. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, yay! Jasper Rabbit's Creepy Tales Yarn is Everything. Aaron Reynolds, Peter Brown. Should be a doozy here. Hopefully that's as good as it looks. Okay. A whole bunch of fun, it looks like. No Brainer Brain Explainer. Oh, that looks fun. Ed Sheeran. Cliff. Record Breakers, celebrating America's biggest, brightest, and bravest. When Brian Met Terry. Okay. Huggle Snuggle. A lot of fun picture books. The Dog Who Was Almost Perfect. So close. Sweet Maggie Mermaid Expert. Use of mermaid experts in our life. Ask Me About Farm. Fun little board book. And My Busy Toolbox. Okay. This is fun. Let's see what we have here. One Fine Day. How Fart Sorted Things Out. Luli Lullaby. Love and Mercy. More Time with Kate Deacon-Miller and Chris Van Dusen. Let's go. Good Bear, Bad Bear. I'm on Team Good Bear. Vibhi and the Voice. Ooh. Okay, that looks great. I'm gonna read that one ASAP. Arlo and the Raven. We Used to Be Friends. Oh no. Tuna Breath. A litter of cat poems and drawings. Oh, we gotta look inside that. Very fun. And computers. Fun facts, fantastic photos, engaging history. Why not? Ooh, I've been wanting to read this. Licorice. Will the Shadow, it's mostly because of these lights that I have here. Will the shadow of the cat that came before her darken Kitty's chance at finding home? I hope not. That sounds stressful. Okay, last one. Oh, School for Woodland Creatures, Lauren Castillo, Caldecott Otterwinter. I love this series. I love spending time with our friend Hedgehog. Hopefully you found something amazing to add to your to-read list. I have some reading to do, so I'm going to head on out to the pool, read some books. My name is Colby Sharp. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you have an awesome, tastic day.